Dwayne here, Phoenix Typewriter. Got this Royal Quiet Deluxe in, and we're just going to do the feed rollers real quick. It's got that squeaks so bad. Pretty noticeable. It's just the rollers. You lift this up, it goes away. Alright, let's get this paper roll through here. And so we're going to protect the platen a little bit. And I'm going to put a towel underneath here. Like this. And we're also going to, this bar is kind of spotty, rusty, so we're just going to tackle that real quick. So let's move these. You can kind of see the bare spot there. And I'm just going to give this a quick little rub down here with this is 3M fine stuff. Just some. Okay, and then we're going to put some lacquer center in here. And flush those around like that. Air blow it out real quick. Like that. Run these down the shaft like this, and it'll help clean the shaft off too a little bit. The shaft a little more. Put some red oil on here. Like that. And I'm going to rub this oil right into the sandpaper there, just like that. Let's see how these run. Looking good. And I'm going to put a drop of this oil right into this spot right there. Just a drop and one on here. I'm going to blow that in a little bit. Like that. Like that. And the last thing I'm going to do is clean the roller. Some lacquer thinner. All fixed. Alright, one step out of 20. This machine will be ready for business again. Those come out real nice. Phoenix Typewriter, good day.